Assalamu alaikum, good morning and adab. Welcome to another edition of Markets and More with me, your host Madhur Tipnis. I hope everyone's had a great weekend. As the Expo raves on, the IPL trophy has been claimed by Chennai. Congrats to all the Chennai and Thala fans out there. With that out of the way, we can finally focus on ICC Cricket World Cup T20 which started yesterday. Wishing all the teams all the very best. With that out of the way, let's focus on the currencies. The Euro AED pair has been trading in the range of 4.239 and 4.2716, with travel slowly opening up and a few holidays coming up. If you're traveling to Europe in the coming week, then take a look at the indicative rates on the screen. The British pound has been trading in the range of 4.995 and 5.032 over the last week. Again, if you're traveling to the UK in the coming week, please check the rates on the screen. Moving on to the subcontinent. The AED INR trading has remained closed on Friday on account of Dussehra. The pair crossed a 20.55 crucial level during the week and trading in an appreciating trend due to the high oil prices throughout the week. The pair is opened at 20.498 on Thursday and closed not so far away at 20.490. The rupees gained on the Thursday in trade on account of weaker dollar, a robust equity market performance and dollar sales by banks. We don't see much depreciation on INR anymore, as any sharp downfall in the rupee will be limited by RBI's intervention going forward. Moving to Pakistan, PKR has traded almost the same levels during the week against the AED. Very limited volatility, and the currency has been trading between 46.40 and 46.60 levels. On that note, allow me to take a playful jab at our teams who will be facing each other on October 24th. While it will be a great game, I'm happy to be able to watch this one in India with my family this time around. So, yay, excited for that one. At the same time, good luck to Team Pakistan. Babar Azam's an outstanding player to watch out for, so should be a great game either way. Bangladesh. BGT has depreciated during the week. Looks like the trend will continue as there is a high demand for dollar. The pair now has traded at 23.40 against the dirham, and he is wishing the Bangladeshi cricket team all the very best for their World Cup campaign. Philippines. The peso has almost traded with absolutely minimal volatility at 13.7 against the dirham for the week. We're not expecting a lot of movement on that over the coming week either. Moving to Sri Lanka. Also on a depreciating note throughout the week, has been low at 55.10 against USD. Against the dirham. Taking a look at the indicative rates for the coming week on your screen in case you're traveling or you're sending money back to Sri Lanka. And with that, wishing the Lankan Lions all the very best for their World Cup campaign. I will miss watching Lasith Malinga uprooting the stumps this time around. Always was so much fun. Moving to Nepal. NPR2 has depreciated and was a long holiday on account of Dussehra trading. And much like always, the NPR trend will continue exactly in proportion to INR. Watch out for the indicative rate on the screen. Moving on to other news. After opening firmly at record highs on Thursday, Sensex and Nifty continued on a sixth straight session of growth and closed at further heights. Sensex has closed at 61,305.95 and it's up 568.9 points, while Nifty is closed at 18,338.55, up by 176.8 points. The Sensex has surpassed the 61,000 mark for the first time. Nifty has also touched its lifetime high. Another thing to note is that with imports outpacing exports, India's trade deficit jumped to an all-time high in September 2021 to US dollars 22.6 billion versus 13.8 billion in just August. Increase in imports was broad, based with all three categories: oil, gold, and non-gold, showing an increase. I guess that's what been messing with our rates over the last month. And exports has increased by 22.6% to $33.8 billion, led by oil, engineering goods, and chemicals, with global demand holding up. Another thing to note, oil prices jumped to a 3-year high above $85 a barrel on Friday, boosted by forecast of a supply deficit in the next few months as the easing of coronavirus related restrictions spurs demand. With that wrapped, allow me to reiterate that at Sharaf Exchange, we have now opened another branch in Muhaisana Center in Sonapur. This was just last week. We hope to see you at the branch so that you can be assured that you get the best rates and unparalleled service. At Sharaf Exchange, obviously, you deserve the best. Keep the masks on, keep your chins up, stay positive and test negative. Until next time, bye bye, masalama, and Khuda Hafiz. All right.